Guide doesn't mean कि I'm expert. Guide means that I have more experience than you, and I can just share what happens, or I have seen the world which you have not seen.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
So today, I will not be very professional. When I say very professional, I mean I will not talk so much professional, but at the same time I will be sharing my life, okay, and I will be giving you certain tips or distinctions which you can apply in your life, and if you apply, you are gonna do whatever you want to do in life.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
Okay, let's pretend like it was all good, like I didn't live staring in the notebook, like I did the things that I probably knew I should, but I ain't have neighbors, that's why they call it hood. Yeah, now let's pretend like I ain't got a name, before they ever call me B.O.B. or A.K.A. Bobby Ray. I'm talking back before the mixtapes, before the videos and the deals and the fame, before they ever once compared me to Andre, before I ever got on my space, before they ever noticed my face. So let's just pretend and make wishes out of airplane.
And you feel sometimes bad, उसने मेरा दिल तोड़ दिया, right? Something, right? It happens. Happens, yes, no, maybe. Response, right? It's interaction.
Yes, sir.
I'm not here for lecture. I don't know how to get lecture.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. And now those who are saying yes and those who are not saying anything, so I can correlate easily. Okay. So, in first semester, after 6 subjects, I got, supplement. Very good. Compartment. Prashad. So I was favorite to God, like sir saying Prashad. So I was favorite to God. So out of 6, I got 5 Prashad and 1 internal Prashad. And I got famous in hostel. ये बंदा है, and people started avoiding me. कि इससे दूर रहना. And even the teachers started knowing about me. This guy is, tougher. And I used to enjoy that feeling. I don't know why. Right. And the second semester again I got 4 elementaries, compartment, Prashad. Right. Third again I got 3. So by third year, me and my friend we decided, boss, this college is very good. I love this college, the place, the dhabas around it in Jalandhar. Right, and Beas is nearby, Amritsar is nearby, so we can anytime go to Gold. So let's do this degree in 5 years. Right, because I couldn't see any charm in leaving the college in 4 years. And third year, one of the friends, when you don't study or when you're going in right direction, your friends come and sympathize you, support you. Right, पढ़ ले, क्यों जिंदगी खराब कर रहे हैं? Right, माँ बाप का पैसा खराब कर रहे हैं? Right, all of these people, तू गलत जा रही है, सुन ले, समझ ले, मैं तेरे अच्छे के लिए कह रही हूँ. Happens. एक मेरा फ्रेंड था, वो बेचारा आया, उन्होंने समझाने मेरे को थर्ड ईयर में कि भाई क्या कर रहे हो, कुछ नहीं, आई एम एंजॉयिंग, एंड देन he said something कि तूने पूरी जिंदगी ऐसे ही रहना है। मैंने कहा हाँ अभी तक तो ऐसे ही रहना है। तो कहता कि यार तू कुछ नहीं कर सकता जिंदगी में। पता नहीं क्या क्लिक करा, ऐसा भैया ये नहीं पता कि क्या कर सकता हूँ या क्या नहीं, पर मैं डिग्री 4 साल में जरूर करूँगा। एंड लोग बहुत कंपटीशन करते हैं आपस में इन कॉलेजेस, राइट। उसके 70 आ गए, भाई उसने ये चैप्टर पढ़ लिया, अरे उसने वो क्वेश्चन अच्छा कर लिया, एंड पीपल यू नो उसी में ही उलझे रहते हैं, यू नो दे गेट सो मच busy in those kind of conversations that they don't even get time to come out of it, even in from one subject or one semester or percentage or maybe one campus हाय वो वहाँ इंटरव्यू दे आई, हाय उसकी वहाँ समर प्लेसमेंट हो गई, वो हाय हाय में मर जाते हैं, राइट। एंड देयर वाज वन गाय, वो कहता कि यार तू कभी नंबर में से ज़्यादा नहीं लेते। तो मैंने कहा भैया 2 सेमेस्टर बचे हैं, मेरी सब्जेक्ट इतनी पढ़ी है, बट ये गारंटी है कि अब 1 सेमेस्टर में नंबर कैसे ज़्यादा आएंगे। एंड आई डिड दैट एंड आई क्लियर्ड माय डिग्री। ऑफ कोर्स आई वाज नॉट अलाउड टू सिट ऑन कैंपस बिकॉज आई वाज ब्रिलियंट स्टूडेंट। एंड so I thought, okay, let me do MBA. So I went for MBA HR in Punjab University, UBS, Chandigarh, and I stayed in university for 2 years, and university is again wow. So and then I thought, yeah, I don't want to leave university, so let me take admission in MS Sociology for 2 more years. But my parents, you know, they said, "But बहुत हो गया, clear your MBA and get a job." And you know, my first job, I didn't get selected in MBA also in campus. So my first job was in Duke. It's a textile or a t-shirt based company, and it's a pure Lala type company. When I say Lala means, you know, not very professional. And my first salary was 4,000 rupees. I left, and you know, in HR, what was my role? How many are from HR? Now, you know, you will relate it why I am sharing all this, okay? May not be now, but by the end, you will easily relate why, from where I am coming, okay? So, my role was that to sit in front of CCTV camera for 10 hours and see the trucks that someone is not stealing the t-shirts. That was my role in HR. And I still remember my boss was from army. He was 6th colonel, and he was like, you know, just at the retirement age. And whoever used to meet him, I used to come in a tray to serve glasses of water after doing BTech from REC and MBA HR, right? And that was really, you know, crushing my ego like anything, or it was really hitting my ego like anything. How can I do this? Only for 4,000 rupees. इसके लिए करा है, इसके लिए पढ़ाई करी है. Can you see that? It happens. वो कैसे कह सकता है मेरे को? उसकी हिम्मत कैसे हुई? उसने अपनी शक्ल देखी है? Can you relate that? Right? Easily, immediately we get triggered. Immediately we get triggered if someone says something, because हमने अपनी ईगो को बहुत पाल पोस के बड़ा करा, राइट? बच्चे की तरह खिलाया उसको, राइट? एंड इट्स नॉट इजी टू ड्रॉप इट, राइट? सो व्हाट हैपेंस देन? I left that job and I struggled for 2 years, first 2 years, 2000 to 2002, and in 2 years I switched 7 jobs, which I never mention anywhere now. Yeah, because that was a struggling period and nobody will give you job कि यार आप हर 2 महीने में job छोड़ के आ रहे हो, right? But understand, switching 7 jobs in 2 years reflects lot of things about me. You know, if you're a HR person or anyone, you know, if you try to read the psychology or the mind of the person, right? One is, this guy is not stable. we cannot trust this person, right? But I am always optimistic. So I always saw, hey, I have the ability to take risk in life, right? Can you switch 7 jobs? आपको भी पहले तो मिले, right? I get your point. Now, then I came to Noida to search for a good job. I'm finding the definition of good job. What is good job? Okay, I'm still not able to identify the good job. Okay, and then I did my course from CDEC in 2002 at CTHR. And I got engaged. My wife, she works for TCS. तो मेरे को लगा यार अब तो कोई कमाने वाला मिल रहा है और वो भी TCS जैसी कंपनी में, तो अब क्या जरूरत है कुछ करने की? तो मैंने हाँ एंगेजमेंट कर दो बट आई नेवर न्यू कि शादी के बाद क्या क्या झेलना पड़ता है, राइट? कर दो बहुत बढ़िया यार, इसमें ठीक है तो बढ़िया, राइट? दिस हैपेंस, राइट? आपको कोई अच्छा फ्रेंड मिल जाए खिलाने पिलाने का, हाँ बढ़िया है, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? So there was a period between engagement and marriage, approximately 6 months, and she went to China for 2 months for her assignment, and I was unemployed at that time. I took risk, I took job. Let me, get something good. And मैंने लोन लिया एक फ्रेंड से 45,000 रुपये कोर्स करने के लिए SAP का, और मैं कोर्स कर रहा हूँ. I finished in March 2003. And then what happened? I have always been a motivator. I convinced one of my friends also to quit job and let's do this course together. तो उस बेचारे ने भी जॉब छोड़ दी और उसकी भी engagement हो गई. And I still remember we used to take printout from some shop होती थी of the CV, और जहाँ मिलती कोई दिखता कुछ, तब नौकरी नहीं था, naukri.com नहीं था इतना. Right, so जहाँ मिलते चले जाते हैं, चलो यार इंटरव्यू दे के आते हैं. And on the day of my marriage, I was unemployed. Oh, right. So what happens, this was the biggest, one of the biggest, I don't know, breakdown. Now I enjoy it. At that time it was breakdown. क्योंकि your in-laws, your parents, your friends, everyone will, they don't have any other work. Their only focus is Deepak, right? Only focus is कि लोग क्या कहेंगे. How many feel like that कि लोग क्या कहेंगे? कि यार अगर मैं ये कर दूँगा, देखो शर्माना नहीं है. आज आप अपने आप से honest रहना, right? This is my invitation to you, request to you. Be honest to yourself कि यार if I do this, what people will say about me, right? And you are still young, right? My in-law, my father-in-law, mother-in-law, Masi, Mame, सब. What are you doing? Are you nuts at all? And somehow, then I got a job in HCL. My first project, my first good company. Okay, and then I was told to go to Malaysia for 1 year to manage one client. International, I enjoyed a lot. 1 year. Okay, and then I came back. I said, boss, SAP is fine, but let me do something more. It's always more, right? Even if you ask these people, they still have something to get more, right? Right? So I said, okay, let me do certification. I prepared myself for the exam and I cleared my certification at that time. And then I started and I entered into resourcing, recruitment. I love that. And in that year, then I recruited a lot of people. I went for this. And then I was in US for a couple of years where I managed a lot of accounts. So things started working. Like shooting stars, I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
And it seems like yesterday, it was just a dream. But those days are gone, they're just memories. And it seems like yesterday, it was just a dream. Alright, let's pretend.
After about 15 days, I was just introspecting what is life, why we are here, what happens. And I could write just 2 lines. सो मुसीबतें हो तो भी बेफिक्र थे हम, सो मुसीबतें हो तो भी बेफिक्र थे हम, अब बिन मुसीबत भी फिक्र रहे. But then slowly and slowly, when I started taking responsibility of family, I realized that nothing in this world stops you to do good things. Nothing in this world stops you to be helpful to others. And nothing in this world stops you to feel pessimistic, to feel sad. Because everything that happens in your life is for your good thing. The only thing is how we take it. Same incident you will find make one person's much more wiser, much more better, and same thing makes another person much more clumsy and much more negative. So it is not problem with what happens in your life, but what you take from that life is more important. And I think this is what he has been able to tell us. And you will never be making anyone responsible or blame anyone for whatever bad happens in your life. Rather, it is on the contrary. Everyone is trying to help you out. Even if something is bad to you, someone is negative to you, I think it is giving you a lesson how we can come out of this. If you take this, I am sure you will always be successful in life, but not only successful, happy in your life. And that is more important. Thank you very much.
Airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars. I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
First of all, I would like to thank everyone for attending this session. And then one message is, these students are the backbone of the world, or I would say India. And what I have learned from them is, the listening, the way they listen to me. And I want, even if I'm not there in this world, let them be like me and start spreading love, happiness around the world. And just, always whatever you do 2 things. One is, you take everything as a game, that you are playing this game, and you are playing this game to win that game. And second important thing is, you have the right intention of winning that game. Always have the right intentions. So God bless you. Thank you so much.